Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down again to tap on more settings, and here localize the option install apps from external sources. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app and tap on the switcher. Here we've got also the information that you have to be aware of doing that, because let's be honest, you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So just tap on enable only if you are sure that this app is okay and comes from a really good source. And you can see that the browser is right now allowed to install some content. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And from now on, in my case, the browser is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.